Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SharePoint document libraries for better version control, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate SharePoint document libraries for better version control, start by navigating to your SharePoint site. Once there, locate the document library you want to configure. Click on the settings gear icon in the upper right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Library Settings. Scroll down to the General Settings section. Click on Versioning Settings. In the Versioning settings, you will see options for version control. Select Create Major Versions to enable basic version tracking. If you want more control, choose Create Major and Minor Versions. Next, decide how many versions to retain. Enter a number in the field provided for versions to keep. Next, you can configure content approval if necessary. Choose whether to require approval for items before they become visible to others. Save your changes by clicking the OK button at the bottom of the page. Your document library now has version control activated. To check the version history, return to the document library view. Select a document and click on the ellipsis next to the file name. From the context menu, choose Version History. You will see a list of all versions for that document. This allows you to restore previous versions or view changes made. Now, your SharePoint document library is set up for effective version control. This setup enhances collaboration and ensures tracking changes efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.